Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Supply Chain and Custom. And today in this session, we will complete the role of Senior Logistic Executive. Okay, so we received the mail regarding the designation Senior Logistic Executive. So what is the role and responsibility? We will understand one by one. So this module is divided in three sessions. So this is the first session. Okay, so let us start. Responsible for ensuring the product dispatch. Okay, so for this job role, the person who is assigning this duty will be responsible for ensuring the product dispatch. Okay, if you see on the screen, we're just discussing about this. Okay, so person is responsible for the product dispatch from factory and or delivered to the right location on time. Okay, so if we talk about this responsibility, though, what happen? Like you are you are the dispatch executive or the logistic executive, then you have a responsibility to deliver the goods as per order. Once we receive the order and we need to get packed this material from the packing team, then as per order we need to deliver at the right time and right location. If you will not deliver in right time, then our customer will not satisfy and order will be cancelled. Okay, so this thing need to keep in mind that whatever the timeline of the customer, we need to deliver in the right time. Okay, to the quality requirement, to the quality required, and the most effective way, most cost effective way. Okay, here that quality also required and also the cost effective way, just like those both things we need to take care of at the same time, like the quality of the moment of the goods means that key you don't use that such kind of truck that carry the goods in uh, and take care not take care properly. Okay, and good can be damaged on the way. So quality also require means the goods need to be delivered in the time in good conditions. Now the most effective, most cost effective way. Okay, so the movements of the goods also in the right way, like dispatched and the not be in the higher wise. Okay, means that the prices of the transportation should be cost effective. Okay, now the next is overseeing the distribution and transportation of the good from factory to warehouse, including international shipment to the consumer. Okay, this thing we need to understand. Overseeing, we have to you have to take care of the distribution and transportation of the goods. Okay, distribution and transportation means here the centralized warehouse. From that centralized warehouse, you have to distribute and transportation, arrange the transportation. This is the logistic part. Okay, goods from factory to warehouse. Okay, so here just the goods are manufacturing and the goods are ready for dispatch or delivery. Then what you will do? The company responsibility to store the goods in a warehouse. Okay, and then goods need to distribute to the required customer. Okay, then including international shipments to the consumer. Okay, so once the goods is stored in a warehouse. Okay, and then once as per we receive the order, as per order we will arrange the dispatch of the goods. So what we will do, just we store the good in warehouse, then as per order we will inform to packing team to pack the goods, and we arrange the shipping agent who will send the transport for the good movement to the custom clearance. Then goods move to the seaport and then final destination. Okay, so in this process, we have to be very we have to be very attentive to handle this activity like a just just like a the order is received and we need to complete this order as per timeline. Okay, so in the transportation or we can say in the manpower or we can say all the teams, production team, packing team, and all person should aware with this order. Okay, once you receive order, you once you receive order through the sales team receive the order and then they will share with you as a logistic team. Then you have to take care with the packing team. Okay, then follow before packing team you have to follow with the production team. Once production team make ready goods, then you need to talk with the packing team. Then packing team pack the goods. You can arrange CHA. Okay, so this is the very important step which you need to handle in for this role of senior logistic executive. Okay, now the next one is to proactive plan and oversees the whole process or may work of the part logistic chain and take care responsibility of the warehouse management. Here you have to be proactive. Okay, and need to plan and o- oversee the whole process. Okay, you have to take care of the whole process, not only that you have to handle dispatch only, but the entire process from receiving order, then packing, then dispatch, then custom clearance, then shipment SOB, then final destinations. So you have to involve in the all process. So take you need to follow up with the custom house agent that what actual shipment status and time to time you need to intimate to the buyer. Okay, so here the proactively plan first you have to proactively plan that how many dispatch you will be done today. Okay, so this is a very proactive plan. In this plan, as per pack goods from by the packing team, you have to arrange the empty containers at the factory. So the plan should be in the right way. In such case, like the packing team packed the goods of the 5 containers. So you must all order only. You must place the container on the five, not 6 containers. Otherwise, the goods not available and like that. So here the planning should be in right way so that the process cannot will not affect. Now oversee the whole process. Okay, you need to take care of the whole process. Okay, may work in part of logistic chain. The logistic chain to take a responsibility for the whole warehouse management activity. Okay, so here you are the responsible for the warehouse management activity. Okay, and so in this step we can say like a whole warehouse activity. So plan need to be take care like a just we can say inward and outward responsibility. Okay, just in warehouses you have to see out that inventory management is also part of this warehouse management. Okay, so here mentioning that to take care of responsibility for the warehouse management. So in this case you have to aware with the process of inward of the and outward of the shipments. Okay, from in warehouse, so you will be know the availability of the um, ready goods. Okay, so in this process the main thing is you have to be aware with the inventory and the responsibility of the warehouse management. In this such case you have to be you have you inform to the all teams like a packing team, packing team, loading team, or you can say dispatch team. Okay, so all the responsibility, your responsibility to manage these teams. Now if you talk about the have a good sound knowledge of the free trade agreements documentation and procedure in place. So for this job profile, you also knowledge regarding the trade agreement, like for which countries we can save the duty free in import, like just Asian country we can use the FTA, after certification, free trade area certificate. Okay, so in the same way, SAFTA, like for the shark countries. So this knowledge must have for this job responsibility. Otherwise, you will not implement and use save the duty for the company. Okay, if you don't have a knowledge regarding the free trade areas with some particular country, what will happen? You will not save the duty in import because you are not aware with this agreement, na? So you have a sound knowledge of the free trade agreements, documentation and procedure in place. Okay, also knowledge of the documentation, like if you receive the free trade area, then you share with the custom house agent, and custom house agent file the bill of entry, and at the time of bill of entry filing, he will he will use this free trade area and save the custom duty. Okay, now to be updated with the latest statutory practice and development in custom regulations, new policy and practice. Okay, so here you must be updated with the latest rules and regulations which government time to time will change and intimate. So daily you have to see the notification on the IceGate and DGFT. So we will be aware with the new procedures of the government, and you can process it and implement it. So practice and development in the custom regulation. Okay, whatever is rules given by custom for the development of the custom regulation need to be followed. For timely updation, you can go to the website of the custom house agent, HiceGate, and check out the latest notification and new policy and procedures practice. These things also need to be take care. So you're the person who can handle the import activities and must have a knowledge of the free trade areas, and also for this job role, person have a knowledge regarding the documentation of the import, warehouse management, dispatch logistic team. Okay, dispatch the goods and entire process end to end working, just like from dispatch to the delivery of the goods. You are the involved in the entire process. So guys, we have complete the first session of the module, job responsibility of the senior logistic executive. Okay, so in this next session we will cover this session. So guys, thank you for watching this session. Have a nice day.